Today we're demolishing a freestanding structure. Keep watching the video, I'll show you how we do it. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllCeiling.com. And on this channel, we do concrete repair, asphalt paving, general contracting, and so much more. So, if you're new here, consider subscribing. The first step before you do any kind of demolition project is you have to obtain the proper permits, such as the building permit here for demolition. You have to check with your municipality, your city, state, check with your laws and the office and make sure that you have the correct permits and license before you begin a project like this. Once you obtain the permit, you have to have various copies for yourself at all times, and you also have to post it on the building or around the work area. The next thing you have to worry about is your electrical, gas, and water hookups. This particular structure does not have any of that, so we have the go-ahead and start the demo. If you have gas, electric, or water hookup, you'll have to have a professional disconnect those utilities before you can begin the demolition process. So I'm ready to begin. I have the permit up. Now we're ready for the next step. The first part of the demolition process is you want to observe and take a walk around the structure and see what you want to remove first, because when you're disposing of the materials, you're going to have to separate that. Most places don't want metal mixed in with brick or concrete or wood, so you're going to have a plan of attack. So the first thing is just walk around. First of all, make sure that if there's any cameras, any light fixtures, you're going to want to remove them first. We have some metal mesh with some wood mold. I'm going to remove this stuff around the structure first. Okay, so I just got my wrecking bar. I'm around the other side of the structure. I'm going to start just peeling off the sides and the molding of the wood, because we no longer need this here anymore. And it's coming off quite easy. Okay. So I'm ready to begin removing the roofing shingles. You can either use a flat shovel or just a scraper, an edge scraper. You're gonna want to start from the higher point and work your way down, and then you're just gonna go ahead and force the roofing screws out. So I'm just gonna get underneath one of these under here. Okay, quite simple. And I'm just gonna work my way down. Now the shingles are removed, the next step of the demolition project is we're going to remove the plywood that is on top of the 2x4s and the various joists inside. So that's what I'm going to do right now with this crowbar. Just going to get under here. Start removing the roof supports, I want to get rid of this garage door and track. So I've got my ratchet set. I'm just going to go ahead and start taking the sections of them off and then taking the track off. Right now I'm going to start by removing some of these smaller roof supports. I'm just going to smash them out with the wrecking bar. The rest of them that I can't reach so easily, I'll saw cut them with the Sawzall. So the garage door is removed. The next step is the entrance. So I'm gonna remove this. It's already pretty much out from the brick wall. So I'm just gonna use the wrecking bar and I'm just gonna smash it, and it's gonna send the whole door and frame out. Yep.
There it goes. Oh, I wondered about that.
That could have been a bad day. That could have been a bad day.
There you go.
That's awesome.
The final step of the demolition job is to remove the concrete base. So I've got the Stihl TS400 saw. I'm going to be making some cuts to weaken the concrete base before I use the loader to remove the concrete and dump it in the dump truck. So I'm going to start the saw, and I'm going to start making some cuts to weaken up the concrete, and we'll get this excavated. I've got my safety gear on, my mask, my earplugs, and eye protection. So that's it. The demolition job is now complete. Everything's been taken away off-site to the dump station. Don't forget to check out the other video. We're going to be doing a paving preparation and paving video. You can check that out in my other videos as well. So that's it. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next video. DoItAllCeiling.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.